Hey, hi friends, good evening. Welcome back. My name is Sharath, and once again, this week we will be discussing about the internship opportunity for all those people who have missed out. And as usual, I'll always try to congratulate people who have taken wise decision. We are in 2024, and after the holiday season, the things are now opening up, and there are huge requirements that are going to come towards us, especially in the space of data. Anything to do with data, right? That is the future for anyone. So just ensure that you're in the right path, learn the right skills in the right way in order to establish your career and ensure that you climb up the ladder in your careers. So this particular program, I'll directly jump into the scenario, is basically sponsored by 360DigiTMG, and it is being brought to you by 360DigiTMG in association with Innodatatics. As I said, my name is Sharath, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics. We work in the space of AI, ML, anything to do with data. We provide our solutions to our customers, and I'm one of the directors with it. And my key work area would be in implementation part, the deployment part, that is. I take care of data engineering, pipelining stuff, and the implementation strategies that we implement for the customers in the MLOps cycles. So this is about me, and what I'm trying to explain is for those people who have already got trained in the space of data science, machine learning. You might have undergone the training of Python, SQL, the dashboard development, Power BI or Tableau kind of sort of softwares, which are business intelligence tools basically to perform analytics. And you might have also learned about the supervised learning techniques, neural networks, unsupervised learning techniques, right? So all these things probably you are familiar with. And what I'm going to exactly speak about is this situation. I know a lot of people connect to this because you've been floating your resume for job opportunities for some time now, especially in the time of November, December, and January till date. The market was very lean because of the holiday season. And on top of that, a lot of people are trying to apply for these jobs because of the awareness now that is there in the industry. A lot of people are getting trained, especially if you talk about in India, the graduation level programs are now having data science, machine learning, AI related programs, right? Engineering programs. So a lot of you people are coming from that background, or you might be a professional who's working in some other domain, wanting to come into the analytics domain. You lack practical exposure, isn't it? So when you face interview, if your resume is shortlisted for a job interview, and if you're facing that interview, I'm pretty sure you might have fumbled a lot with respect to the questions that are practical oriented, isn't it? And that's the reason why internship becomes so essential. Industry exposure is very essential. And of course, a lot of people are trying to apply for internships. Everybody probably will not be so lucky. So for all those people who have tried and couldn't crack, this is a very good opportunity, and we keep doing this, right? So it's being done from past few weeks. So if you have failed to register in the previous sessions, this is the chance for you. This program is completely free and an introductory program. This basically is a foundation step for all those people who want to get into the internships. It's a foundation step, as I said. And it is a program which is launched as part of the CSR programs, community service programs. And in this program, as you can see, you would be specifically focusing on the deployment part of your machine learning solutions. Now, as I said, this is a free program and it has a limited duration, of course, but This is a foundation step. And as part of the session, you will get 30 days internship certificate as well. And that is also completely free. Now, this 30 days duration is broken down into learning phase and the practical phase, because you have to learn a lot of new things with respect to the deployment, post-deployment activities. You would have a lot of videos coming towards you for preparation. And the videos are broken down into 3 different slots, and you will be given 3 videos per day. You're expected to prepare on them. And at the end of the day, 9 p.m., we will be having a examination. So on the LinkedIn, the questions will be posted and you're expected to write the answers in the comment section, not the MCQs. Okay, this is to ensure that your profile is also enhanced from the LinkedIn perspective. When you are actively participating in these kind of exams, your profile gets visibility, I should say, and that adds some value to your profile. So that's one of the reasons why we have picked LinkedIn as a platform, so that you also get your profile updated. And LinkedIn is one of the primary sources, for profiles being shortlisted. Companies, employers are looking into the LinkedIn profiles to identify the right candidates for their jobs. So if you are actively participating in relevant things and related things in LinkedIn, then you would get this entire program enhancing your profile. So it will add value to your profile. Now, after this 20 days learning phase, you will have 10 days project phase. And these 10 days are further broken down into 5 days and 5 days. What are those 5 days and all those things you'll come to know when we go there. Now, you might think that, hey, you're saying 30 days duration and only 10 days project phase. Is it really good enough, sufficient enough? Now, if you are going to do in a random manner, if you're not following any process and just trying to dig into things without any proper order, then 20 days is also not enough. 30 days is also not enough. Based on our best practices, because we are in the industry, so we know how to do things in a right order because of our experience. So that experience will be passed on to you. For your project phase, you would be given an MLOps expert who would guide you through the steps that you'll have to follow. And these 10 days, on working days, Monday to Friday, every day, Monday to Friday, you will have a quick 15 minutes meeting. We're not going to drag the meetings. It is to ensure that everybody is following an order and streamlining things. And in these 15 minutes, you would be given the information on what you are supposed to do next and what you have done till now. Review will happen. If you are facing any challenges, you'll have to bring it up. If the task is completed, then you move on to the next task. Right? So deployment and post-deployment, these are the 2 things that will be focused here in the implementation. So if you are a person who's saying that, hey, I'm just started to learn data science concepts, machine learning concepts, and I want to do the project from end to end, like gather the data, do the training, and then build the models, then this is not the program for you, friends. This is for next level, people who have crossed that barrier, right? People who know how to develop a model, in fact, the best model. You also have to do hyperparameter tuning, right? So you will have to tune and identify the best model. Now, in this program, our team will give you the best model, and that best model you are going to supposedly implement, deploy it, learn the skills of deployment, so that your end customer can actually utilize the solution that you have developed. And here, we are not giving any code, blindly Python code to the customer. Right? There will be a graphical user interface that will be created, and that would be mapped to your ML solution that you have developed. So these are the things that you'll be learning as part of your deployment. That is what you learn. Now, coming to the certificate, this is how it looks like, and this is completely free, friends, and you will be given the certificate provided you complete the project successfully and submit all the documents, and all the work that you have done. And we are not charging anything, right? So that is very important. Now, the most important question, how do you register for the program? In order to register, all you have to do is click on the link, which is given in the YouTube, the chat. There is a community link, WhatsApp community link. You just register for that. Once you enroll into that community, once you register for that community and enroll into it, all the details will be given, including the registration form, the do's and don'ts, all those things will be explained in the community. So the entire communication happens through the WhatsApp community. That way, everybody is aware of the process, and it's the same process that we follow for everyone. So we are uniform across, and that's the one communication channel that we use where everybody is free to join. And the only prerequisite, once again, I'm mentioning this, you are supposed to have the machine learning data science skills. You should be familiar with how a machine learning model is actually being developed, how it is being tuned to obtain the best solution to solve a business problem as a data scientist. This process you should be familiar so that you are going to use that knowledge and then deploy a developed solution to your customer. Okay, that's all I have, friends. This is a quick meeting, short meeting that I'm conducting, and I'm trying to give you all the details which are required for you to understand about the free internship program that we are launching. This is the website I just try to bring up. These are some of the projects that our folks have done. So what we are basically doing is here we are trying to identify the pallets damage from logistics perspective, or you can say manufacturing segment perspective. These wooden pallets, which are used for shipping the goods, right? Generally, they get damaged. So we are trying to identify what are those pallets which are damaged quickly, right? There could be cracks or there could be some pieces broken. So we want to ensure that human error doesn't occur in identifying these damages. Something on those lines, we have a project in hatchery also. We try to identify the age, their weight, their health related things, right? All those things are being monitored using our AI solutions we developed. Okay. And this is the website which I want the people to explore. There are a lot of information, friends. You can try and connect with all the alumni. These are our past students and our friends. They have joined in various companies, in top 4 companies, the big 4 that we call it as, the top MNCs across India and of course outside India as well. You can always connect with them. You can download the PDF version of this document. And in the PDF, you also have their LinkedIn profiles. So you can always connect with them and try to get their information, their knowledge. You can also get this information in the YouTube channel, in 360DigiTMG YouTube channel. This is the channel header. And we conduct a lot of free videos, friends, right? I mean, free sessions. Right now, the world is talking about generative AI. And we are doing free session for you people, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. on daily basis. We have conducted yesterday and today. And if you have missed out, then that's because you have not subscribed or you have not clicked on the bell icon. Subscribe so that you get all these latest of the information that is happening on our channel. You'll not miss out. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we have the sessions. Please enroll into it, and right, you can get all the latest of the things that are happening. If you want to go through the videos, you can come to the channel and right, recorded videos also there. You can catch up on yesterday's session and today's session as well. And if you scroll down, there are these success stories. People who are willing to come online and share their right, who are not shying away. We welcome them and ask them to share their experiences. Right? They are joined in different companies across India and outside India. Right? Al Shaya Group is based out of Dubai. Ernest and Young. Right? We have Google. Right? Emirates. This is we're talking about Vivo. Right? And I mean, Volvo is also there. This moment has recently got placed in Volvo. So there are different companies across the country, and we have our folks working there. They have earned it, right? So why? Because they have worked on this kind of projects which enhance their skill sets, and they were very easily able to crack the interviews. Their preparation and all those things are also discussed. You might want to come here and go through the videos to understand what is their experience. All right. With respect to the other very important things on the website, I want everybody to take a sneak peek on the learning resources on 360DigiTMG website. A lot of useful content is there for you to enhance your skills, friends. If you are a learner, serious learner, you might want to utilize these resources which are completely free. And before you are applying for any job, try this resume mapper tool, which will help you to identify what are those key skill sets that the job seeker, that the employer is trying to find out from the job seeker. And if you are not having certain skill sets updated in your resume, then your profile may not be selected, shortlisted. When you use this resume mapper, it compares your skill sets with the job description, employer's requirements, and it gives you a quantified matching score as well. It highlights what are those skill sets that your profile does not have. So all these things, right? I would encourage you people to experiment. This is completely free, right? What happens? You just enjoy doing some experiments here on the website. So try and do that. And I'm pretty sure, right, you will be really appreciating the tools that are available here for your learning purpose. All right, that is something that I wanted to showcase, friends. Now coming back to the internship, as I said, if you want to register, join the WhatsApp community, and your session will start from tomorrow. This batch is going to start the journey, the next 30 days journey from tomorrow. So good luck. And right, I encourage everybody to utilize this platform, which is a completely free platform. If you have any family members or friends who are trying to upskill themselves into this wonderful and exciting role of data science and machine learning, then please share this. Right? Be a good friend, and you might want to encourage them also to take participation into this program. Thank you so much, friends, for patiently listening to me. I'll see you in the project phase.